There's a Facebook ad strategy so powerful for real estate agents that my client Diana made $14,000 in commissions in just 2 months, with 2 more deals in escrow and 9 total transactions in the pipeline. Damon had 3 transactions in just 13 days, and Heather woke up to 9 leads just on day 1. But here's what's changed for 2026. If you're still manually setting up Facebook ads the old way, you're wasting hours and missing deals. In this video, I'm gonna show you the exact 3-step system that's replacing traditional Facebook Ads Manager and follow-up system that books appointments from your leads 24/7. And why 2026 is the year real estate agents either utilize technology or get left behind. We're gonna dive into my computer and I'll show you exactly how to set up Facebook ads the easy way. All right guys, so we're in the computer here. We are going to go over 2 different Facebook ads setups that you can do. One is going to use the old way of creating Facebook ads. That's going to be in the Facebook Ads Manager step by step. I know some of you want that. That's why you clicked on this video. So I'm going to give you that. I'm going to show you some of our best Facebook ads that you can use. You can grab those in the description. Totally free. And then the second way is how you can bypass all of that and just do 3 easy clicks, customize it to your city, your price points, all of the things with that. So in Facebook Ads Manager, we're gonna click on create here on the top left. We're gonna click on leads, and this is designed for lead generation. If you wanna do brand or things like that, you'll wanna choose another objective, but we're focusing on leads today. So we're gonna click on leads, click on continue, and then Facebook's come up with all of these things, and they really think that they do a better job advertising than you do. And so they're going to have all of these things. They're going to say, you can have 150% better conversion with XYZ. And typically what we found is that's not necessarily true with local campaigns. That could be true with nationwide campaigns, national campaigns, but locally, not the best. So you can kind of ignore some of that. So we're going to come in here. You can name this whatever you want to name it. We're just going to do Plano Homes. Don't mess with any of this. We're going to do a campaign budget is fine. We're going to do anywhere from $10 to $25 a day. We'll start with 25, and then you want to select housing special ad category, and then we can go to the ad set level where we're gonna choose our page and location. Come in here, see it says you could get 103% more conversions from your preferred audiences. So we're just gonna go into start date. We're gonna choose the next day, and we'll choose early the next day. And then you can see advantage audience, placements, things like that. Placements would be where your ad is showing up. So it'd be Instagram or Facebook or stories, things like that. The thing we do want to come in here and edit is location. So we're going to click on that, and then you can go your city. You can choose an address, you can choose a city, anything like that. So we're going to do 15 miles here around Plano, Texas. We're going to click on next. So now this is where we're going to create our actual ad. So if you want to name your ad, whatever it would be. So we're going to do a list of homes, which you've probably seen. And next setup, I'm going to show you my favorite by far today, but this is tried and true. You've probably seen this ad if you've been on any Facebook ad video on YouTube. So coming in here, you're gonna come in here, you'll select an image, and what we'll do is we'll just come back to the Facebook ad templates. This, again, you can get these. I will email if you click the link below in the description, fill out, give me an email. I will send these to your email. Okay, totally free, nothing to charge you there. So we're just gonna copy and paste this, right? So we're just gonna copy this. And the reason we have follow here is if you wanted to use a landing page. So we'll just take that out when we come back to the ad itself. So coming back in here, you wanna create form, or you can just keep it here. If we create a form, then we'll wanna do something like this, where it would be get instant access to Plano Homes on a golf course under 450 list by providing your info below. And they're gonna fill out this info, and then you would come here. Thanks, but one more step. And this is where you would have you could have your IDX feed, and you could already have the list curated so they go to your website. This is beneficial if you have a good website that will have an opt-in after they looked at 2 or 3 homes, right? Or you can just curate a list with whatever tool you use and send that their way too. And then actually creating your ad, you'll come in here and create your ad. Click on setup creative, just pick any listing will do. So we're just gonna pick on a home, click on next, and then your primary text. next. This is where you paste it in. So we're just gonna take this out, add some spacing. So then we'll do Plano homes under whatever your price point would be. Go to $399, fine. Right, in the description, or say click learn more to grab of homes. Call to action would be learn more. Yeah, we'll do learn more. Click on next, click on done. And then you've got your ad and you'll click on publish. So it's not terrible, but there are a lot of things that could trip you up with this. Once you publish this, now you have to go and connect it to your CRM with a tool like Zapier. Maybe your CRM has it cooked up. So there's just lots of things to go through on this, and it changes all the time. So, all right, so this is the second way we're gonna create our Facebook ad. And this is the easy way. We're gonna do 3 clicks, fill out some information, and then you are done. So we're gonna click on launch campaign here. From there, we're gonna click on Facebook and Instagram, and you have all these proven templates for categories. So if you want first-time home buyers, we have that. Mortgage, we have that. Seller leads, we have that. Listings, we have that. So we've got a bunch of different ads within each of these. Listings, I would say, if you want to create good brand awareness, that's great. We're going to bring a lot of leads in that just want to look at a home, and they're not going to turn into closings. So not my favorite, but it is a good brand building strategy. We're going to do list of homes because these are the ones that are going to convert. So we click on that. I have a couple of my favorite. One of my favorites is the new construction. That's a good one. But then you've got all of these for specific information, right? So foreclosed properties is good. Homes under a certain price is classic. And then you have downsizing, which is also kind of a seller lead. But we're going to choose new construction, mostly because new construction can be advantageous because they have certain incentives that a normal house or normal residential home does not have. So coming in here, we're going to click on lead form, and we already have all of this done for you, similar to how we did in the Facebook Ads Manager. We've already created the copy in here, so you don't have to mess with it. So all you're gonna do is just set your budget, set your where you want to run this ad. So we're gonna click on Plano, and it's gonna be a 15-mile radius. This is already special ad category compliant. So we're just gonna do our low price in the 300s, high price in the 800s, and then click on launch campaign. The beautiful thing about this too is we have other new construction home ads that have the benefits specific to the new construction or new home builds in your market. So that's how to create super simple Facebook ads in just a few clicks and customize it to your area. Now, generating leads is actually the easy part. I just showed you how to do it in under a minute with just a few clicks. The real challenge is what happens next. How do we get those leads from leads to closings? Because here's the reality. 78% of real estate leads never get a response within the first hour. And those leads are 7 times less likely to convert. This is where our AI plus human system comes in. The moment somebody submits their information, our AI responds instantly, trained on over 100,000 real estate conversations. It knows exactly what to say, when to say it, and when to hand off to our human team for the appointment. It's also trained on your exact business. We can help it learn exactly how you want it to respond to certain questions or scenarios. It's a learning AI conversational tool. Check this out.
Hey, you have reached the Middlesworth Realty Group. How can I help you today?
Hi there, I fill out information on Facebook ads.
Great. Thanks for reaching out. Just to get started, are you looking to buy, sell, or both?
I'm looking to buy.
Got it. You're looking to buy. What's your first name so I can make a quick note for the team?
Yep, Adam.
Thanks, Adam. Have you already started looking into financing or pre-approval?
I have not, no. Just looking.
No problem at all. We can guide you through that process. What's your price range or budget for the home you're looking to buy?
The Facebook ad said, I believe, homes under $400,000.
Got it. You're looking for homes under $400,000. When are you hoping to make a move? Are you just exploring for now or looking to get started soon?
Just exploring our options. Probably, 6, 12 months, something like that.
Thanks for sharing that, Adam. Exploring your options over the next 6 to 12 months sounds like a solid plan. Let's go ahead and schedule a quick 15-minute call with our team to discuss your goals and next steps.
Maybe. I just don't want to be sold on it. I'm really just looking and seeing what's in the area.
Totally understand, Adam. No pressure at all. Our goal is just to help you explore your options and provide any guidance you might need. If you'd like, we can set up a quick call to share some insights about the market and answer any questions, but it's completely up to you. Would you like to check for available time?
Yeah, I guess that's fine.
All right, let me check what's available for you. One moment.
The AI handles the initial qualification, nurtures the lead with relevant property information, and identifies when they're ready to talk, especially based on how they came in, either your website or Facebook ads. Here's what most agents don't realize about 2026. Facebook's new Andromeda algorithm is insanely good, like 2015 Facebook ads good. And if you're currently not using Facebook lead generation in your real estate business, you are missing out. And if you don't follow up with leads in less than 5 minutes, you're losing leads. If you are a real estate agent, I'm hosting a 30-day challenge where we reveal the exact system we use, the exact ad templates, the AI follow-up sequences, the appointment booking process that's generated millions in commissions for our clients. Check that out in the description below. Join the 30-day challenge and let's see how easy it is to automate your lead generation while your competitors are still stuck. If you want to see the exact ad templates we use, I put those in the description as well, completely free. Use them, test them, let me know in the comments how they work for you.